raining. Welcome to Kemo Adventures. Today is raining. You can see our fire. Welcome. So, just looking for a place to hide because we are seeing some rain. So, we'll discuss more when we get a place. So, I'm saying, welcome to Kemo Adventures. We are here. So, today there's been a day where it rained in the morning. So I started the day by first going to school for my son, and then now I went to school. On arriving to the house, so I needed to go fast and then back to the house. Arriving to the house and now starting to go to the office, it was raining. So you can see now we are out of office. It's now around about 6 p.m. and it is raining. So today it has been raining. There's a lot of rain. So I'm saying I don't know how we'll reach the house. That is the tricky part. You can see people are just moving without fearing the rain. But now I am today, I will be full of water if I decide to go. It's quite a distance from where I am. This is Ngong Road, for those who don't know. Over there is Junction Mall, you can see. So this road is called Ngong Road. You can see there are cars going the other way, and then there are cars going. So it came from that side, where cars are coming in this side here. So I just highlighted over there, and the car I was in was going to a different direction. So this is the nearest place I can go to the house. So I'm thinking of either looking for a motorbike, but it is raining, so I don't know what to do now. So we are in a state of dilemma, not knowing what to do. But hope the rain will subside. So just holding this camera this way. So I wait to see on what to do. So the tricky situation is I don't have an umbrella. That is the tricky situation. So I need to buy an umbrella. So if I had an umbrella, mine has a story how it got lost. I don't know what happened, but now we are in a tricky situation. We need to go to the house. It is raining. We are taking a shelter down we call this tree. It's a sap. I don't know the name. So yesterday we did a video. It was about clapping. So learn to clap for others. Your time will come. Yes, that was our story yesterday. So today, full of rain. I don't know what is that, but now you can see people are lighting and it's raining. So I'll be just showing you in that direction. You can see the types of cars. Yes. You can see for yourself the types of cars over there. So those you are seeing, those sirens you are seeing, those are our matatus, our public transport vehicles. They have all types of cars and they can make a lot of noise. So today we are just riding around. It has been raining. So it rained in the morning and now it is raining. So it's about to subside. So if I will see it's now time to call, I will just call. So I will avoid recording so that the phone will not be rained on. So that is our video today. So I was to talk about some funny stories. I think nowadays we are full of stories. So there was a story I was reading. When you are not in agreement with someone, I think there was two options, and you don't have anything to say or to react on what's happening, and you are not in, to avoid competition or to avoid a situation whereby you are having a quarrel, you just remain silent. So that is one of the things I was reading somewhere, and I said, I think we should one day talk about that. But these stories to me will become more clear when we will be doing it in the village, whereby we will be free, we will be showing you those beautiful sceneries, those beautiful places. There are many places we have not explored in the village, so we will be going there. So as here, we must make these videos to grow the channel. So if you are new, you're watching the videos for the first time, you are coming across this channel for the first time, just subscribe. Yes, subscribe to our channel. It is free to subscribe. It is free to support. Yes, subscribe to our channel. So the rain is about to, so I don't know what will happen in the other end. But now the rain is about to subside. It has reduced, so I think it's now time to go. So I've said welcome to our channel. For those who have not subscribed, you are coming to across this channel for the first time, subscribe, support us. We need your support by subscribing. We are growing this channel. We are now at 430. That is our great achievement, considering the state you are now. Yes, so that is a great achievement. Yes, so support us. We'll see reach 500 soon. We'll be happy. So I want to end this video here. Hope I will get another part to show you in front of me. So I will just show you. So at least the camera has been stable. You can see the cars. You can hear my voice. Now let me look for ways of going to the house. So this is how it is after the rains. You can see the type of drainage here. It's so bad. So let it blocked. So water will not have a place to. So this one you will see really it has rain. You can see the amount of water. It was a simple rain, but the water so much. There is these guys have been rained on. Then the post over there has been rained on. This ride is tricky. Crossing here. It's full of water. You can see the amount of water. It's full of water. So this place, compared to where we have come from, the rain is not that much. It's why sometimes we have only walk for about 10 minutes. As you can see, there is no rain. You can see there is no rain. The other place it was raining. So we will end our video here. So if you like our video, give us the thumbs up, like our video and subscribe. So we will end here for the day. We will not be having much to say. Just say thank you and bye bye. Go